everybody? Welcome back to Side Hustle Enterprise. I am your host, John Maz, and this is Market Moves Monday, where we go over all of the big movers or things that are moving my portfolio, more or less, that I want to share with you guys in this upcoming week. We're going to be talking about DOGECOIN, we're going to be talking about Safemoon, and of course, AMC. And if we have time at the end of the video, I'll go over my portfolio as well and share that with you. Now, before we dive into that, guys, I have to incentivize you to really hit that like button, show it some love, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification bell because I do go live every Wednesday with Market Watch Wednesday. If you'd like to share your opinion, share your thoughts, or just ask questions, I'm here. The Discord community is here. If you want to sign in and check out the link in the description down below, slide on over to Discord. You can always join in on the conversation and talk to me one-on-one through Discord and YouTube. I encourage you guys to do that. I encourage this community to really be pushed to that next level. I want this to be an open platform to people for people to ask questions and really have that opportunity to grow. So thank you guys. I appreciate you if you've done that. You know, the community's growing, the channel's growing. It's been awesome. It's been fun. But let's go ahead and dive into the meat of the episode. Let's talk about our favorite cryptocurrency of all times, or at least my favorite cryptocurrency of all times, Dogecoin. We've got some cool news coming out, I guess. Some things that aren't necessarily being talked about all over the place. Dogecoin is one of the top trending subjects on Twitter, on social media right now. So I thought these things were not being mentioned enough, I guess, is why I'm bringing them up. The first one being Twitch and Dogecoin. Twitch is now accepting Dogecoin as payment for bits. I don't know if this is a play to bring back Twitch streamers to the platform. I know a lot of Twitch streamers and a lot of viewers have been switching away from Twitch and going more towards YouTube and other platforms. This could be a ploy to bring them back, or it could be a way for Amazon, because Amazon owns Twitch. If you weren't aware of that, this could be a play for Amazon to really test the payment and the platform and the coding and the development behind Dogecoin as a payment solution. This could be a way for them to implement it as a payment solution and test it out using Twitch, where I'm sure a lot of Twitch individuals and a lot of Twitch streamers and viewers are part of the Doge army. So I thought that was very cool and interesting. I don't see a lot of it being talked about on Twitch, on Twitter, on YouTube. So I wanted to bring that up with you guys. Make sure you check it out. Do your research. Always do your research. Do your due diligence. Fact check me. You know, these are things that I have stumbled upon. I try to do as much research as I possibly can. But of course, things do change. Things do get updated. So make sure you always do your own research. The next one being, and I thought this was very, very cool. I thought this to be a response to a lot of the outcry that we're hearing in the Dogecoin army, for Dogecoin to be accepted on Coinbase, for, you know, not your coins, not your wallet, when we want to be, you know, we want our wallets from Robinhood and some of these other platforms like Webull accepting Dogecoin. It's a lot of waiting. So I think this was the response from the Dogecoin development team to really help out and really say, hey, we got your back, Dogecoin army. This is a community-driven cryptocurrency. It's open source. The development part of it's open source. We're really pushing hard, and we came up with this amazing idea. It is the Dogedex, the decentralized exchange for Dogecoin. It is their own exchange. How awesome is that? Screw Coinbase. Screw, Robinhood. Dogecoin's got their own exchange now. How awesome is that? How awesome is this? Look at this thing. This thing looks beautiful. We got some awesome tweets here going on as well. Let me take a look at those. So here it is. It's a decentralized exchange for Dogecoin. It works as a non-custodial wallet. So there you go. You got your wallet, you got your exchange that allows you to store Dogecoin without ever giving up access to your private keys. Free Dogecoin from decentralized exchanges. So there you go. Free Dogecoin from decentralized exchanges. Free it from Coinbase. Free it from Robinhood. If they want to implement it, fine. But Dogecoin army, this is what we're about. This is what cryptocurrency is about. Decentralization. Not your keys, not your coin. Says it all right there. Amazing. Dogecoin army, Dogecoin development team. You guys have done it again. I can't see this thing not hitting a dollar, not bypassing dollar this year. This is going to be a huge, huge catalyst. And if you guys didn't know, this comes out tomorrow. This comes out 420. This comes out on Doge Day. Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. Another thing that happens on Doge Day, if you weren't aware of it, is the Discord server currently has a Dogecoin lottery going on that the drawing is going to be live tomorrow. It'll be live on Discord and it will be live here on YouTube. If you'd like to get involved, it's not too late. I'm taking entries up until midnight tonight. So if you want to get involved, make sure you check out Discord. The link in the description down below. Slide on over. Dogecoin Lottery is the channel. It gives you all the rules, gives you all the regulations, how much an entry costs, and how to get yourself involved in it. Again, guys, it's not too late. We have well over 8,000 or 8,300 Dogecoin in the lottery right now. We'll be picking 3 winners, first, second, and third place, and it's gonna be an amazing event. I hope you guys let's get this pool up to 10,000 Doge and really make it something to talk about. So check that out. Let's scroll down here a little bit further. Let's get a little bit more information on it. We've added a bridge between BSC and ERC20 ecosystems. Users can trade at Doge directly against Binance Chain or ERC20 tokens using Dogecoin Dex app. Peer-to-peer, no proxy tokens, fully decentralized, Shapeshift IO. We did it first. Let's go, Doge Army. Are you ready for 420? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We also have this one here, and this is going to be my segue. I'm going to kind of use this tweet here as my segue. Which coin should we add to Dogedex desktop first? Of course, I selected Safemoon. You guys can pick whatever you want. I think Safemoon would be a very cool project to see on Dogedex, just because they're 2 very amazing projects in my opinion. They got great development teams. They have great dev teams. They have great communities behind them. They're very, very unique platforms in their own ways. That's why I like Safemoon, I guess, because it is a unique solution. It's got its own take on cryptocurrency and decentralization and how things should be implemented. So Safemoon is definitely up there in some of my holdings with cryptocurrency. We'll go over that here in a second. But Safemoon, if you're not aware of it, I did post a video talking about Safemoon briefly. It's one of 2. The second one hopefully will be out tomorrow if I can get the editing done for it. Safemoon is a new cryptocurrency. I mean, it is super new, and I talk about how to get your hands on it. Right now, the only way to get your hands on it is through, or if you're here in the US, it's very difficult. It's through Trust Wallet and Uniswap, or MetaMask and Uniswap, or Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I did make a video on how I purchased it through the Trust Wallet, so make sure you check that out. It's growing so fast, guys. This cryptocurrency has gone straight to the moon, straight from its conception. It has just taken off. It is unreal. We're currently sitting at 612 holders. Market cap is well over 2 billion. And one of the cool things is they burn tokens with every exchange or every transaction. I encourage you guys to check out the website, learn a little bit more about it before you invest in it. Check out their Twitter page. They always got some interesting things on their Twitter page. One of the new things we got popping up here that just got posted recently, 15 minutes ago, was their little roadmap here. And we had, hit 6,000 holders. And this one I found to be very, very interesting. Exchange news. So a while back, I'm not going to scroll through all these tweets because it'll take forever, but a while back, Safemoon posted a little image of a set of dice with Coinbase and Robinhood and eToro and Crypto.com, all these exchanges hosting Safemoon. So now we see Dogecoin and them possibly accepting Safemoon on their exchange. I really think that we're going to see either Binance or Crypto.com. I don't think we're going to see Robinhood. I don't think we're going to see Coinbase. I think those are 2 of the higher running options for Safemoon to be implemented, either Binance, because you do have to use a lot of BNB tokens in their safe chain, or their smart chain exchanged in the PancakeSwap to get your hands on some Safemoon. So I think that is a strong possibility. And then the next one being crypto.com. Now, crypto.com was mentioned by the CEO in a previous tweet. I can't seem to find it. I don't know if it was removed, but he did talk about it. You can also catch them talking live on stream. Hit the replay. The video is posted over on Discord, so if you'd like to check that out, the video is there on Discord, and it's the CEO team, it's the development team, it's the people behind Safemoon answering the hard questions, talking about it, and really getting the word out there. So it's a very interesting project, guys. And if you haven't checked it out yet, I encourage you guys to at least read about it. Watch some of the videos, check out their website, check out their Twitter, and I even read the white paper. This is one of the few cryptocurrencies that I've actually read the white paper on. It's got some very interesting things behind it, and I think it's got some huge potential in the future. So I don't know if it's going to give you Binance. I don't know if it's going to be in crypto.com. I don't know if it's going to be on Dogedex. But, of course, there is some kind of big exchange coming out right now. And we're already seeing huge, massive gains with Safemoon since its conception. Look at this. Look at this chart. It has just gone straight up. This is unreal. So if you bought down here, you have, made huge profits. Huge profits. Just in the past couple hours since I posted my last video, I've made huge profits. If I go ahead and pull up my wallet here for you guys, I can show you guys live right here. So here's my wallet, right? This is a link to my phone, my Trust wallet. Let me refresh it. We got a nice accurate number. So this is my Safemoon holding, and you can see I have a value of $1,900, $1,975. I only put in about $1,000, maybe $1,010, whatever it was in the video. Check out the video. You can double check me. You can fact check me if you want. It's doubled for me in less than 24 hours. My holdings have doubled. I wish I had put more in. Of course, this is all I had available at the time. I sold some other cryptocurrencies that I was just kind of holding on to. Just to check out Safemoon. I wanted to do a video on how to purchase it. So maybe I'm going to purchase some more, seeing that it's done this well for me this fast. That's my spiel on Safemoon. That's my spiel on Dogecoin for the crypto guys. Now let's change gears a little bit here and talk about stocks. Stocks. Everyone loves stocks. Everyone loves crypto, but a lot of people like stocks as well. So let me see if I can pull up my Robinhood account for everybody. We'll take a quick look at that. We've seen some huge gains and drops, some big waves here. Of course, a lot of those waves being from my Dogecoin or my cryptocurrency holdings on Robinhood. Now, not your keys, not your coin. I understand. Just was testing it out when Robinhood first implemented their Dogecoin purchase is on their platform. I don't hold a lot here. I hold more in other places, being crypto.com and a core wallet. However, I'm doing very well when it comes to Dogecoin. I'm holding until I'm a millionaire. I'm not there yet, but I have high hopes. I think it can definitely happen. So we can see here some of my holdings. There's my Dogecoin here, one at the bottom. I'm up almost 40K on Dogecoin alone. Let's talk about AMC real quick before I mention my new favorite, or my new purchase, as you will. Not my favorite. I don't know why I said that's not my favorite. But AMC is one of my bigger holdings on my Robinhood portfolio. And again, I am still trying to transition away from Robinhood. AMC has had some interesting news come out. Lots of stuff talked about still with the short squeeze and interest rates and everything else. Interest rates have gone up for the people that have shorted AMC. If you're not aware of it, you have to pay interest. When you short a stock, you have to pay interest on it. And the interest rate has jumped up to 18.2%. 18.2%. If they're holding AMC past the expiration date of their short contracts, they're paying 18.2% every single day on all their holdings, on millions of dollars worth of holdings, on tens of thousands of shares. That's big. That's going to really hurt a lot of hedge funds and a lot of people that are shorting AMC. I don't know why you would short AMC. I know there's some game plans of people that are going to do it. AMC has potential of really taking off. I think it's at a decent value right now. I think it, in a reasonable marketplace. We're not in a reasonable marketplace right now, But in a reasonable marketplace, we could see $20, $30 a share. I think that's really where AMC should be. But with this short squeeze and how high this interest is, it really falls to who are the weak links, who that determine the price of this stock once these short squeezes actually start happening. The weak link, in my opinion, is going to be the financial holders, the AMC holders, the company itself. They know what their company is valued at. They already have a set price in mind. So if this goes through and we get additional shares added to the AMC holdings, which I don't think is going to happen, but it could, the financials, the CEOs, the big wigs of AMC, even though the CEOs come on multiple times, say he has a stake in the game, I'm sure that they have their own sell limits. They're going to sell a $10, let's call it $10 stock at $100. They know that, hey, they made that much amount of money. They're happy with it. They got in, they got out, they got their profits. That to me is going to be the weak link. It could be all the apes holding Coinbase, all the apes holding AMC to really push it to the next level. This has potential to hit $1,000 a share. Got to remember, GameStop, very similar, right? GameStop started at $4 and went all the way up to $5. We're closer to 10 here, going all the way up to 1,000. A lot of potential to be had, a lot of news that still needs to be developed, and a lot of things still need to happen before we see that price jump. And it's going to really be determined on how long retail investors can hold out and not sell for little gains and really shoot for those big gains. I'm not saying $100 isn't a big gain, but this has potential to do what GameStop did and 10x and go up to $1,000 a share, $500 a share. That could be a big thing for a lot of people, myself included. So we'll have to see what happens in the news coming up with AMC. We'll have to see if they do implement additional shares into the market, if they do have a infusion of more shares into the market after their shareholders meeting. I don't know. It's something I'm holding. I'm going to hold on to it for long term. It does pay out dividends to me. So our dividend yield right now is at 6.75%. I'm happy with that. So I have, let's see, how many shares of AMC do I actually hold? I don't even know. I'm talking about it. I have 3 contracts, and I currently have 1,250 shares of AMC. And I have contracts expiring this Friday, I believe. Let me take a look back at that. So yeah, I have contracts expiring Friday for AMC that'll probably expire in the red. You win some, you lose some. I'm not crying about it. Let's change gears. So AMC is a good one for me. Another one that I want to talk about is TCDA. I don't hold any shares of TCDA. I do have a couple contracts. I have a total of 5 expiring in August. Interesting little company. Heard some good things about it. I'm going to hold on to it. We'll see if we can get some good gains in it. Check it out yourself. It's a could potentially be a nice little payday for me and a lot of other people that are invested in it. So we'll see where that one goes. I will keep you guys updated. Another one that I picked up that I found to be interesting, based upon a news outlet article that I read, and I'll share that here with you in a second, is GEE Group. GEE Group is based in Jacksonville, Florida. They are a job placement organization. They help people find jobs, whatever else it may be. But they are doing some big things in regards to their company and their assets. Let me pull up that article for you so we can take a quick look at it together. So here's the article. Here's the GE Group. It's straight from their source. GE Group announces pricing of $50 million underwritten public offering. So they're introducing additional shares into the market, trying to pay off some of their debt, trying to really push that company to the next level. Today's the deadline for it. Today is the deadline for some of these bigger underwriters to pick up the remaining balance of their offering to the market. I'm hoping we're going to see a spike today, tomorrow, this week. I'll let you guys know, and I'll keep you guys updated. So those are my big movers for the week. We have Dogecoin on Twitch and Dogecoin, a Dogedex decentralized exchange. We have Safemoon possibly on Crypto.com or Binance or even Dogedex listing it. We saw AMC short interest rates go through the roof to 18.2%, and could potentially push that price even higher as time goes on. That interest rate is climbing daily. It is continuing going up. We started at 13, now we're all the way up to 18. So we're going to continue to see that interest rate climb until the hedge funds can't take it anymore. We saw two of my holdings, this last one here being GE Group. Do your research, guys. Do your due diligence, and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just a guy with a camera, and I'd like to share my opinion with you guys and just have fun with it. That's what it's all about. It's about, prospects in the future. It's about changing the whole financial structure of your life and just having fun with it and making a new stable financial situation and pushing you and yourself to the next limit. So guys, join the conversation. I'll see you on Wednesday. Until then, I'm over on Discord. Appreciate you. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and look out for some of that new merch coming out. We'll talk about that on Wednesday. Have a good one, guys.